Hey yo, what's poppin' YouTube? It's King Bro. Is the mic on? Is the mic? Shit. Okay, the mic is on. What's poppin' YouTube? It's King Bro coming back at you again with another video, man. And today I have another Rate My Subscribers video. You feel me? Rate My Subscribers. Did I do that the wrong way? Rate My Subscribers. But anyway, another Rate My Subscribers video, you guys. Probably about 2 days ago, I posted randomly on Instagram like, hey yo, DM me your videos of your hair and whatnot on Instagram, and I'm gonna rate it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be like, it's either good, you know what I'm saying? It's either trash, or it's either, you know what I'm saying, some shit like that, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to give it a scale 1 to 10. Matter of fact, we done 1 to 10 last time, alright? So this time, we gonna do pass or fail, alright? Pass or fail. Simply, thumbs up, thumbs down, alright? And I want y'all to vote in the comments as we go along, alright? So we gonna put up there on the little screen or whatever, the people who I'm actually rating and whatnot, and y'all tell me whether y'all think I should thumbs up, you know what I'm saying, or thumbs down. Either I'm gonna push them or pass them, you know what I'm saying? It's either they good or they not good, you feel me? Let me know down in the comments. Of course, I'll be choosing for myself, but y'all let me know how y'all feel about it down in the comments. But without further ado, let's get started. Let's see who we have here. All right, first up right here, we got my boy Will. We got my boy William Kusi. William Kusi, shout out to my boy. Appreciate you for sending the video in. Okay. Shit, that ain't bad, dog. Hey, that ain't bad, dog. Hey, man. Hey, I'm looking at the curls. They bouncing, they flowing. Of course, it's a little wet, but you see the definition and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? I see what you got going on. I'm giving this one a pass, dog. I'm giving this one a solid thumbs up. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, by the way his hair looks, you could tell that, you know what I'm saying, he's got the side cuts. He either got the side cut or he got like a hair tie holding his hair up, but I think it's the side cut, you feel me? But you know what I'm saying? It's got the body, you know what I'm saying? He doing good in my book, you feel me? That's solid curls, you know what I'm saying? He got a little lean, so you pull it down, it probably hit past the eye. That's definitely a thumbs up in my book. We gonna move on to the next one. I bet that. Let's see what we got here. Dang. I gotta go to my request there. That's what I gotta do, you know what I'm saying? All right, here we go. It's my guy, Wade Garner, Little Wiz _98, The Earner, all right? The Earner, all right? Let's see what your boy got, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so he just got his joint braided. Hey, yo, hang time. Hey, yo, his hair might be longer than mine, bro. That's crazy. Automatic pass, bro. Automatic pass, dog. No cap, automatic pass. He also, so he also got a little clothing brand, you see? Not a little clothing brand, but he got a clothing brand or whatever, you know what I'm saying? EarnYoursClothing.com. Make sure you go mess with my boy, man. He got that hang time, boy. Don't play with him. He is not one of them, bro. Here's another style, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Definitely got a hang time. He's not one of these folks out here to be played with, all right? He's not one of these out here to be played with. All right, we gonna see who else we got. All right, we got Flourish. Let's go Flourish DRC. Let's see what we got. Hang time. Y'all are killing it, man. Maybe I should have went through and chose some rookies, because I don't want to pass everybody. Somebody got to fail. These first 3 are absolute fire, bro. I'm not even, you know what I'm saying? Even if I were to be like hard on y'all, you know what I'm saying? These first 3 are fire. They got that hang time, you feel me? Look at these 2-strand twists, dog. I don't know whether you did them yourself, and I can't see your parts, so we can't rate you on your parts, but you got hang time, dog. That's no cap. That's no cap at all. That's hang time. All 3 were obvious pass, bro. All 3 was the obvious pass, dog. I can't even hold you, bro. Like, somebody got to take this L, bro. Somebody got to take this L. I'm looking for somebody to take an L at this point. I know it's kind of messed up, but somebody got to take this L, because everybody can't pass, man. You feel me? I got to raise the stakes a little bit. All right, let's see what we got. Caramel Darian. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, smooth. Okay, I see what you're working with, you know what I'm saying? Okay, right here, I see he got the curl. We see what he got the curls popping or whatever, you know what I'm saying? He's actually got a lot of curls going, but he does leave a bit to be desired in terms of like how defined they are, you feel me? In terms of how defined they are. The thing is, I don't know whether his hair is fully wet or whether it looks wet out, so it might get more defined as he dries, you feel me? So I can't give him a fail, because this is actually solid curls, bro. This is solid curls, you know what I'm saying? It looked like he probably got 4B, maybe it might possibly 4C, but he probably got 4B, man. You know what I'm saying? He just got real thick hair probably, and I got thick ass hair, so I understand. When you got thick hair, it's hard, bro. It is hard to get a crazy amount of definition, my guy. It is hard, man. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna give him a pass. I'm gonna give him a solid pass, man. Great on the curls, man. I know I said I needed to fail somebody, but this ain't gonna be the guy. This solid curls. Second thought, no, screw that. We gonna pass the hair. We gonna fail these glasses, bro. I don't know what's going on right here. I don't know what's going on right here. So forehead up, you're solid. Forehead down, that's a fail. Forehead up, he's passed. All right, so we gonna move on to the next one. Let's see if we can find the next one. All right. Nope. Oh, here we go. Oh, we got another one. Okay. Oh shit. Yeah, this is a pass. Yo. So this is what we call fire clumps. Like his shit's clumped together. You know what I'm saying? His shit is legit clumping together. I don't know whether it looked like he might have finger coiled this one. I don't know. He might have finger coiled. You know what I'm saying? But regardless, the curls are fire. You know what I'm saying? I don't know whether that's probably finger coils. You know what I'm saying? Probably big ass finger coils, but they still look fire. You know what I'm saying? Soon as he, you know what I'm saying, sweating his hair, start shaking his hair a little bit, like 2-3 days, they gonna start looking like more and more like natural curls, man. Not so perfect curls, man. But this is a pass. This is a pass. You know what I'm saying? I can't even be mad, bro. This is perfect. You know what I'm saying? This is perfect. The 8 months, Rich Roll is the recipe for success. That's what I'm talking about. You get a definite pass, man. For sure, pass. You feel me? Now let's see what we gonna do. Alright, let's do Ethan. Somebody got to fail. I'm still looking for somebody to fail, but y'all are coming with that heat. No cap. Alright, let's see. Sheesh, hey, these 2-strand twists. I wish the video went some damn fast, but shit, these 2-strand twists, I'm straight, bro. Shit, these 2-strand, I don't know what the white is around your headline, but shit, your headline looks straight. Twist fire. Damn, we got another one, man. Y'all keep passing, bro. I'm trying to fail somebody, bro. Shout out to Can't Guard Me _13. Can't guard me _3. Boy, I will do you dirty. Stop playing with me, boy. I will cross you, boy. Cross you and shut you down, boy. Like you won't be able to dribble. You know what I'm saying? And this is IRL. I'm talking about in real life. You won't be able to dribble. But you know what I'm saying? That's another topic, another discussion. You feel me? But you get a pass. You know what I'm saying? I'm tired of y'all doing so well. I guess y'all been watching my channel for so long and y'all been like on y'all shit for so long that no one at this point is slacking. Everybody's on top of their game. I should have done this like last year or something. You know what I'm saying? Y'all veterans now. You know what I'm saying? Most of y'all veterans right now. That's this y'all. I should have got y'all on the way up as y'all was getting better instead of right now. You feel me? All right, let's see. You know what I'm saying? I'm honestly looking for somebody to fail right now. You know what I'm saying? Because everybody can't be a pass. I'm looking for somebody to fail. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all keep on rating y'all's down and make sure you keep putting thumbs up and thumbs down and whatnot. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to my vlog channel if you haven't. Let's see. Okay, let's see this we got Cocaine Brew, okay, yeah. Well, I ain't trying to read all that shit, man. I'm trying to see what's going on. Hey, man, shit, man, hey. This shit look moisturized, man. I see a curl or two. This shit look moisturized, boy. I can't hold you. This shit look moisturized, dog. Yeah, man. This shit look moisturized as hell. He definitely got curls, man. Okay, Granada. I don't know what the hair product store is like, but dog, what I'm looking at, you gotta pass, obviously, man. Your shit's fire. Your shit is moisturized. That's more important than having your shit curled. Having your shit moisturized. Because you can't get a curl if it's dry. You know what I'm saying? If you got to moisturize, you literally one product or one gel away from getting it curly. But your joint is moisturized, so the deep conditioner that you're using is looking like it's working. But you might want to look into getting either some gel, finding the right gel, matter of fact, finding the right gel or finding another curl cream. You know what I'm saying? So it could be either or. You could have a fire curl cream and need a better gel, or have a great gel and you need a better curl cream. I would suggest doing both because you leaving something on the table. I'm looking at the curls and it's like the patterns there, but they not. You know what I'm saying? Like you have another level left in you, warrior. You have one more level. You have another level. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You Super Saiyan right now. You can go Super Saiyan 2. You can go further. I want you to go further, all right? Obviously, this is gonna be a pass. I really should have done scale of 1 from 1 to 10 because all of y'all are passing right now. I'm not really feeling this whatsoever. Somebody gotta take the L. All right, bet. We looking through them and whatnot. Let's check this one out, all right? You know what I'm saying? Young Bryce B488, you know what I'm saying? I just want to say, whoever cut your hair, cut the hell out of your hair, all right? The haircut is straight. The thing is, bro, your mohawk is too perfect, you know what I'm saying? it's too perfect. It's too perfect, you know what I'm saying? And because it's so perfect, like y'all understand what I'm saying, right? It's so perfect that it makes it look weird. I don't think you know what I'm saying? Do y'all understand what I'm saying? Like, I'm not trying to be mean, but it's so perfect, it makes it look weird. I tell you what, imagine somebody walking, right? Yeah, like literally like walking down the street, right? Okay, and they're walking down the street and their arms are swinging perfectly. Every step is the same distance apart. Their foot hits the same level at the same time. They don't have no sway. They don't got no little bop when they walk, you know what I'm saying? They don't, you know what I'm saying? They're not looking around, you know what I'm saying? Ain't no real swag to it. It's just straight boom. Like they in the Marines or they in the military, like they marching or some shit. Like if you see a person in the service doing that, it's like, okay, that's what they do. But if you see a normal person walking that perfectly, it looks weird, it looks strange. So it's the same way with this cut, bro. So you get a thumbs down, bro. But not permanent. You just gotta add a little bit more swag to your mohawk. This is where you get your curly fro on, you know what I'm saying? This is where you get your curly fro going, you know what I'm saying? And you came from the barbershop and you probably wanted it all to be the same length, so it's not your fault, you know what I'm saying? The barber did what they supposed to, have all yours the same length, you know what I'm saying? This would have been fire if it was 2012, bro. I'm gonna keep it a band with you. It would have been straight out fire if it's 2012, but we in 2020, you got to have some type of sauce, you know what I'm saying? Some type of sauce, some type of unevenness, you know what I'm saying? Not saying cut your shit and make it uneven, but like when you rough it up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? That's why you see people with the sponge. So if you condition your hair, get it wet, you know what I'm saying? Put a little cream in there, put a little sauce in there, man. We need some sauce, some sauce, bro. Sauce, say it with me, sauce, all right? Once we get some sauce, bro, you definitely getting the pass, man. So, you know what I'm saying? But keep in mind, it's not bad when you get a thumbs down. It's not bad, all right? It's not bad when you get a thumbs down and you know why. All right, remember this. This is a very serious moment. It's never bad when you fail and you know exactly why you failed, all right? It's bad when you fail and you don't know why, all right? Because if you know why you fail, you know exactly what you can do to make it better. You like, oh, I know that's why I messed up, so I can just make that better and I'm gonna catch a W. So it's cool, you know what I'm saying? You're getting better. But you should be afraid of the times when you fail and you don't know what the went wrong, all right? You should know why you failed, all right? This is one of the situations where he took an L, but he know exactly what he went wrong. All he gotta do is, you know what I'm saying, put some swag on it. He in the club. He good, man. That's it. You know what I'm saying? Let's see if we can find somebody else to fail, you know what I'm saying? Tired of y'all and y'all nice hair, man. Y'all been watching my channel for too long, all right? All right, let's see what we got here. Hold on, what? Am I tripping, y'all? Hold on, tell me. Am I tripping? Like, hold on. This is one guy. He got 0 posts. Okay, he got a braid out, but yo, is it me or is this two different people here? Like, is this two different people? Like, I'm not tripping, right? Okay. Or what? Am I tripping? This is really two different people, bro. Oh, hell no, man. This is a fail. I don't know what's going on here, bro. Like, which one is you? I don't know. This one got decent curls, you know what I'm saying? It's a short. He's young in the game, but he got decent curls. This one just got a braid out, you know what I'm saying? They parted the hell out of your head, bro. They parted the out of your head. I know your shit was hurting, bro. I could see a nigga part and I could tell when it's hurting, you know what I'm saying? I know when I get my hair parted and the space between my hair ain't that big, but I could tell when it looks big, they parted the hell out of their hair. I know your shit was hurting, boy. Shit, that man was in pain to get them braids, but yeah, man, this is a fail because it's two different people. I don't know who's who, you know what I'm saying? Y'all share your Instagram channel, you know what I'm saying? Y'all figure that out one for me, you know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know what's going on there. I'm gonna do one more. We gonna do Michael Stinson, all right? Be like Mike 12. That nigga said he in the CLT area. What's poppin', bro? Man, what you doing with the quick squizzy, man? You sliding in, niggas sliding out, man. I can't see what you got going on for real. You know what I'm saying? Shout out cause he in the foe, but I'm seeing curls. Bro, this video is me up cause I can't see your shit, man. I can't see it. Zoomed in, zoomed out. It's looking like a pass, man. This is in the middle, man. Cause I'm seeing curls, but I can't examine the full. I don't know whether it's just in one area. I can't look still to see how defined they are. It's like the tips are kind of defined. I don't know whether it's like wet or not, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna let y'all do this one, you know what I'm saying? And this is how we gonna finish all this video. I want y'all to rate this one, you know what I'm saying? My boy Michael Stinson, shout out to him because he in the foe, you feel me? He in the foe, so I'm gonna give him a pass. But y'all let me know whether it's a thumbs up or thumbs down for this dude here, man. I'm looking at it live on Instagram. I can't really see whether I can't see, but y'all let me know what's going on, man. And that's all for this video, man. Y'all let me know what other subjects y'all want me to do about hair, because I feel like like, shit, I done them all. You know what I'm saying? I done almost everything. I done taught y'all niggas almost everything. You know what I'm saying? I done taught them almost everything. You feel me? We done went science, we done went funny, we done went curls, we done went braids, we done everything. The only thing left is me to cut it and get a fade. But nah, real talk though. Make sure y'all subscribe to my vlog channel, King Brill Did It. Watch the videos, make sure you leave a comment, and it was some other stuff I got to say. Oh, I know what it was. Peace.